Forget fruity cocktails by the pool. Imagine checking into a luxury resort and instead of a drink menu, you're handed a diagnostic kit, a personalized blood panel, and a wellness roadmap that claims to slow your biological clock. Welcome to the age of med-cations. Medical vacations where genome sequencing, IV therapy, and spa luxury collide. It sounds like science fiction, but in 2025, it's exploding worldwide. People aren't just traveling to relax anymore, they're traveling to rebuild their biology. For decades, vacations were about indulgence, overeating at buffets, staying up late, and maybe sneaking in a massage. But the new wave of health-minded travelers is rewriting the playbook. Today's most sought-after trips combine 5-star comfort with cutting-edge medical science. These experiences are called Med-cations, short for medical vacations. Resorts like Shah Wellness Clinic in Mexico and upcoming centers in the UAE are fusing advanced diagnostics with luxury retreat settings. Guests aren't just greeted with champagne, they're escorted to labs where doctors draw blood, run microbiome analyses, and map out personalized longevity plans. The appeal is obvious. People want more than a tan, they want transformation. They want to return home not just rested, but younger, sharper, and equipped with a strategy to extend their health span. And it's not just a fringe luxury. According to global reports, the wellness tourism industry is on track to surpass $1 trillion by 2030. Med-cations are a rocket-fueled niche inside that market, combining biohacking, Eastern medicine, and futuristic therapies with the glamour of luxury travel. Think of it as replacing the all-you-can-eat buffet with all-you-can-optimize longevity. So what exactly happens on one of these futuristic getaways? 1. Comprehensive diagnostics. Before you even unpack, you're scheduled for full medical screenings, blood tests, microbiome sequencing, stress hormone tracking, and even epigenetic scans that measure how fast your DNA is aging. Some clinics scan for inflammatory markers, oxidative stress, and even detect silent cardiovascular risks long before symptoms emerge. 2. Biohacking treatments. Instead of lounging at a pool bar, guests rotate through treatments designed to reboot their biology. We're talking hyperbaric oxygen chambers, cryotherapy for inflammation, IV vitamin infusions, ozone therapy to improve cellular repair, and even stem cell consultations in some destinations. It's like Silicon Valley startup culture collided with a luxury spa. 3. Personalized longevity plans. The data doesn't just sit in a file. A team of doctors and nutritionists builds a customized playbook for each guest. One traveler might get a diet emphasizing turmeric, fermented foods, and morning sunlight for circadian alignment. Another might receive strength training protocols to offset bone density loss. These aren't generic wellness tips, they're data-driven prescriptions based on 4. Lifestyle immersion. Guests live out their plan while on site. Meals are crafted by Michelin-level chefs following medical guidelines. Morning yoga, guided meditations, and sleep optimization practices are built into the schedule. It's luxury vacationing, but every activity doubles as a therapeutic intervention. Celebrities and CEOs were the early adopters. Think Tony Robbins building longevity centers and elite entrepreneurs flying in for $50,000 packages. But the ripple effect is spreading. Affluent travelers worldwide are realizing they can buy more than experiences. They can buy years of vitality. Now, let's talk about the big picture. Why is this exploding right now? 2 reasons. First, healthcare systems are reactive. Most people only see a doctor when something is wrong. Med-cations flip that model by making healthcare proactive, spotting red flags years before traditional medicine would. Imagine learning that your body is trending toward diabetes while you still have time to reverse it naturally. Second, longevity is no longer just a niche obsession. Social media, podcasts, and best-selling books have made biohacking mainstream. People don't just want to avoid disease, they want to optimize every year of their lives. And what better way than by combining a vacation with medical-grade precision? Critics argue these trips are elitist. And yes, for now they're expensive. Packages can run from $5,000 to $50,000 depending on the level of diagnostics and treatments. But remember, yoga retreats and organic food were once reserved for the wealthy too. Over time, prices dropped as demand scaled. Wellness wellness follows the same pattern. By the 2030s, med-cation-style programs may filter into mid-tier resorts and health hotels. Imagine airlines offering in-flight microbiome tests or cruise ships bundling genetic scans with spa services. It sounds crazy until you realize the industry is already racing in that direction. So the real question is, are med-cations the future of travel or just a shiny fad for the ultra-rich? Vacations used to cost you calories. Now they might add years to your life. Would you ever trade a beachside margarita for a genome test and an anti-aging IV drip? Drop your answer in the comments, smash subscribe, and stick around, because our next deep dive could change not just how you travel, but how long you live.